Pathways and wildflower corridors was first introduced into the college just before COVID. This used to be a wet area, and we first devised this pathway, what we're standing on now, so that we could actually park vehicles and get access to the fields via the mowers. And then we decided that what we was going to do was create a meadow, but just a small area at first. As we've developed, we've increased in this area. So we've got Lower Clark here out, which is out now, which is looking fantastic. We've developed the front just to hide the containers and make the area a lot more welcoming. And there's some of the grasses what we've put in there as well. It's meadow foxtail, which is a great looking grass, and it's starting to look good. Certainly as the summer goes on, and we get lots of bees in the morning, and also different pollinators as well. And then as by year 3, where we're now coming into a next section, for if we are going to develop the area, we've got to make it so that it's a continual run. So the next section that we're going to go into, we're looking more for butterflies, and then the next section then goes into other pollinators like bees. So as we come round the corner, we've introduced some seating on our right hand side. We're now starting to go into predominantly butterflying preferring plants, and then we've got sections of plant in here. We've got loosestrife here, we've got lutea, which is just down around there, and there again all butterfly loving plants. And then we've got verbena at the front, but that will grow all year round. Bees, but also butterflies. And as we start going a little bit further in this section, this was another rotted area as well. So you can see the plants are very similar to the wetland meadlands just over there. One of the things about this area is as we hit the bend, what we have noticed is that certain times in the morning you get a hum of the bees in this area. So it's a fantastic place to walk. And as we continue walking, this is where the butterflies will really intensify. Different types of Achillea, which is yarrow, different species, different heights, and then we go into small, still dwarf buddleia, again attractive to butterflies. And then we've got poppies going through here, and then we go to Russian sage, Perovskia, which is just here. That's again a drought loving plant, and this is one of my I wouldn't say favourite, but this is an unusual plant. And then as we start going further along, we now go for plants while typically attracted to bees. So in this section here, and as we continue going down, it is mainly just for the bees.